Namaste. Myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Therapy and Diagnostics, JVN, Rajasthan. Today we are going to discuss about paraffin wax bath or wax therapy. It is the therapeutic technique in which paraffin and mineral oil immersion are used in combination for the treatment of distal parts of body like hands and feet. It is usually 6:1 or 7:1 of wax to mineral oil that is used for therapeutic purpose. Let's discuss about its history background. Paraffin wax therapy has been known and utilized for centuries for the treatment of many conditions. History of its use can be traced back to the century of the Roman Empire. After that, the Roman physicians used it for therapeutic purposes. They used to pour hot wax onto the body of patients in order to prepare them for the massage therapy. Later, the French started using paraffin wax for the treatment of injuries in order to increase the rate of healing for their patients and soldiers. During World War I, the British medical soldiers also used warm paraffin as wax therapy for the treatment of the orthopedic injuries and disorders within the military hospitals. Now, on which principle its method based? Wax usually melts at 54 degrees Celsius, but when paraffin wax is added to this solution, the point lowers between 42 and 52 degrees Celsius, making it more tolerable than hot water. In addition, specific heat of wax is lower than water, and addition of paraffin lowers it further. Temperature is usually maintained at 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. When wax solidifies, it releases latent heat of fusion that is transmitted into body tissues and is responsible for treating different conditions of hands and feet. Higher temperatures are beneficial for hands and lower for feet. Many modalities uses their different kinds of energies and working principles. Now, what are the various methods of application of wax therapy? Various methods of applications are used. These are dip method, continuous immersion method, direct pouring method, brushing method, and towelling or bandaging method. What is the dip method? Dip method is the most commonly used method, and the steps included in this method are: wash the part to be treated and ask the patient to dip his hand or foot part to be treated into wax unit, then remove it and wait for some time, usually 2 to 3 seconds, until wax hardens. Redip the part in the wax unit and then again move out. Repeat the process for about 6 to 12 times until a coating of about 2 to 3 mm thick is formed over the part to be treated. Then put that part in a plastic bag and wrap it into the towel to limit the rate of heat loss. The wax glove is usually left in place for about 15 minutes till it completely solidifies. Remove the towel and wax glove, inspect and dry the part. Discarded wax can be removed for its use again in the bath. Now, what is continuous immersion method? Steps involved in continuous immersion method are: first, wash the part to be treated and ask the patient to immerse hand or feet in the wax unit. Re-immerse the part to be treated and then leave it in the unit without moving the part. Make sure the patient is positioned properly and he is comfortable during the session. Remain there for about 15 minutes. This can be combined with active movements during the session. Next step or next method we have direct pouring method. In In this method, wax is molten, after which this wax is poured by means of a utensil on the part to be treated and then wrap the part by means of a towel. What is brushing method? In brushing method, wax applied by means of a brush over the part to be treated. Several layers are applied. Allow wax to become solid and then wrap it by means of a towel. Next method is toweling or bandaging method. In this method, dip the towel or bandage in the molten wax and then wrap it around the part to be treated. This method is useful for the treatment of proximal parts of the body. There are some physiological effects related to wax therapy, and these are: there is a local rise in the temperature, has sedative effect on sensory nerves, skin become pliable and moist, and the stimulation of vessels resulting in local hyperemia and reflex vasodilation. Now, what is the indication for wax therapy? Pain, scar or adhesions, rheumatoid arthritis, degenerative diseases affecting hands and feet. What is the contraindication of wax therapy? Open wound, allergic condition of the skin, DVT, varicose veins, altered skin sensation, impaired circulation, areas of recent bleeding or hemorrhage, devitalized tissue, example after deep X-ray therapy, malignancy, acute inflammation, unstable, fragile or early stage skin grafts. Now, what precautions are to be taken during the use of wax therapy? The dip and re-immerse method should not be used in patients having remarkable edema. Cooler wax temperatures must be used while treating foot than treating the hand. Thank you.